Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you are watching this video for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, we'll learn how to work these kind of small buttas which can be used on saris, blouses, kurtis or anything of your choice. So watch the video till the end and I have just used very simple stitches, just some silk thread and a normal sewing needle along with some pearls to work this kind of design. So watch the video till the end and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Now let's get started. First I'll just mark the dots. So I'll mark 3 in one straight line and then more like a plus mark. And then in between I'm going to add one dot. So I've already taken silk thread here. I've taken 3 strands, doubled it so that in total I have 6 strands. And then along with that I'm using these 4 mm sized pearls today. You can start from anywhere you want. So I'm going to start off from this dot here. And in the needle, after I come out of the fabric, I'm adding 2 pearls. And then I'm going to pierce into this, the point that is opposite. I'm going to repeat the same thing on the remaining sides. So once we are done with this step, I'm going to just get the needle from here in the center. I'm going to do one small X kind of a stitch here so that the center stitches are all locked inside. So now the center stitches are locked and these beads will not pass from one side to the other because we have locked the stitch in the center. Now we'll go one side by one side. I'm going to do one small stitch here right after the bead. So before you do this stitch, make sure to push the bead to the corner. So from that side of the stitch, I'm just going in to this side. So once we have this stitch, we'll do the weaving. To do the weaving, I'm going to come out as close as possible to the pearl. For the weaving, I'm just passing the needle below the stitch like this. And then come out from this side. So we'll do that 4 times. I'm not piercing the fabric, just going below the stitch. So this is my second round. So there's just one line left. In case if you have missed how to do the weaving part, you can just follow me now. So I'm going to lock this with one stitch from left to right. Make sure the bead is towards the edge when you're doing this. Once you've locked the stitch, you'll have to bring the needle out very close to the bead here. And then just pass the needle below this thread. We just have to work one complete round. So I will be passing the needle again from that side to this side. So this forms one round. Similarly, we will continue with 3 more rounds. And when you're doing this part, you're not piercing into the fabric, you're just working below the stitch. So I've worked 4 rounds in total for all the beads. And don't pull it too tight. So once you're done with 4 rounds, you can actually pierce here and knot it. So this forms a very cute little butta which you can use on your sleeves or all over the back. So using these kind of beads actually gives a very pretty look on the blouse. Even on the entire saree you can scatter these kind of buttas. I have worked the same kind of flower, but this time I have just made it a little bigger. So because there is a space in between these two, I am just adding one clove stitch here. So we'll see how to do that. If you want smaller ones, you can just do this part. If you want the buttas to be slightly bigger, then you can do this one. So I'm working a clove stitch here in between this empty space. So I've posted this video yesterday on the same channel. So in case if you have missed, I'm going to link it in the I button. So do check it out. So for the clove stitch, I'm just going to wind this thread around the needle 2 times because I want the clove stitch to be a little delicate and not too bulky. And then I'm going to go in and pull the thread. So it actually looks very nice and it kind of fills up all that empty space in between. So in case you guys have not seen my blog, do check out naughtythreads.net. A lot of useful information is being posted almost every day. And also subscribe to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs. If you happen to try any of this, do WhatsApp me the pictures. I would love to see what you guys do. And yeah, I guess that's all in today's video. In case you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care. Bye bye.